What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS, and as you can see we got our pror back like we mentioned in the last video, and today we did some maintenance on it, changed the oil, changed our S&B filter, went ahead and greased all the grease fittings, but we are going to be installing some Assault front sway bar links. So super easy, 2 bolts. Main part is just to make sure you have them adjusted to factory length, which is no big deal. You use your stock bolts. I'll show you that when we get to it. But before we go ahead and get this install done, if you want to check out our new merch on the merch store, there's a link down below in the description. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and click like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep doing videos for you and get you updated with all the newest stuff. So we'll go ahead and hop on the machine and show you how to get these installed. Okay, so basically pretty easy. You're just going to take your stock sway bar link off, which will be this one here and this bolt here. You're going to take that off, and we'll put the Assault one in its place. Before we do that, we have to make sure that this is adjusted correctly to the Assault. So we'll go ahead and get that off. Okay, so when you take these off, you do have a washer on the nut side, top and bottom. I'm sorry, bottom only. Go ahead and pull this out. Sometimes when you do these, there's tension on them, so you have to use your jack to get them up or down. See, like right now, we're hitting the axle here. So what we're gonna have to do is lower the machine down so we can go ahead and clear the axle once the suspension compresses down. So we'll go ahead and do that first. Okay, so now we should have enough to get that out. Yep, and that'll give you the clearance that you need. So basically, you have your stock bar compared to the beefier, obviously, Assault bars. And all you want to do is take your stock bar, lay it on top, slide the bolt through, and then go right through the aftermarket bar. Now you want these so that, you know, this obviously has a lot more flex, the aftermarket, than the stock, but you want to be able to see that center to center, that these are about the same, which they are. This does have a little bit of give, but if you need to adjust it, back this off. You can thread this in and out, just a typical Heim joint, and you'll be able to obviously see where it goes from there. Okay, so you got your stock bolt here, sliding from the back, and then you have your bushings that come in the kit. They're going to slide in like that. Get those in there. Go ahead and put that right on like that. Just thread the nut on a little bit. Don't tighten these up at all. We'll do that when we get to the end. Okay, now for the lower one, you're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Get your bushings in. Okay. Slide that into place. And then going to come with your bolt from the front. Okay, washer goes on the back. And then you're just going to go ahead and put your nut on. And again, we just barely cleared this axle. If you're not clearing the axle, you might have to just go ahead and hop on the front bumper here, get it to compress a little bit more, which will bring this up, and then you can slide this through a little bit easier. So that's the way that's going to go. We'll go ahead and tighten these all down, and then we'll repeat the same stuff for the passenger side. Okay, so that's all there is to it to install the front sway bar links from Assault on this RZR Pro R. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click like, subscribe to the channel. And again, thanks for all the support. Check out all of our new merch in the link below, and we'll catch you on the next one.